Hi, welcome back to TechGuru-RealTime channel. Today I'm going to talk about SQL based kind of aggregations which is using Java streams. Java 8 especially, the language which come up with a lot of features. So let us try to understand the problem statement, how we are going to solve this using Java 8. So I have collection of a person. Each person has few attributes, say name, country, state, district, city, and so forth. For example, how to find count of people were specific to each country, state, district, or county. In other internationals, instead of district, they call it as county and city. Say I pass India is the country. For example, let us understand the input data, and then we can understand complete problem statement and then the output data. For example, person has name, country, state, district, city. This is the name, this is the country, this is the state, this is the district, and Nagari is the city. I see that country, state, district, cities are same. How many people are there? Two people are there. Likewise, I have input data for different states and different districts, different cities. I need to aggregate. For example, when I wanted to aggregate on a specific country, state, district, and city. According to this simple exercise, you can see that there are two people. So we wanted to aggregate like this. How we can do these kind of aggregations using Java? That is the awesome feature which come up from the Java 8. Okay, so I am using in this particular exercise Java 18 is the version, IntelliJ is the tool. You can choose whichever you wanted. This is the reference link where you can refer and download, install. So let's dive into the real hand. Yeah, now this is coming under my part, problems and solutions, part 7. So I need an object model, so I'm going to create an object model using Java 14. Okay, so Java 14 supports this. Say string name, string country, string state, string district, string city. So these are my object model which I'm going to operate. So I'm going to create a main driver, person aggregation app, the name of my application. I create as a main driver. Okay, now what are the details are required? If I pause it, find count people, so based on the input data, right? That is my understanding. So let's first try to create the actual data which is necessary for my operation. So what I am going to do is I create list of person object, person list. I'm going to use arrays. This is a utility, easy to use it by my side. Let's break this so that we can see the code properly. So we need to create this object structure, name of the person, country, country, state, district, or county, can call it as city. So this data I already prepared it. I don't want to type it here. I take that. I can go ahead and declare it. So now you can see that I have person, name of the person, India is the country, Andhra Pradesh is the state, Chittoor district is the district name, and city, Nagari is the city. And Bassetti, India, Andhra Pradesh, Chittoor, Nagari. Likewise, I have different set of data sets. So I wanted to pass it a specific country, state, district, and then city, so that I want to see how many people exist in that. So how I am going to do that is the SQL aggregation in Java. Let's try to pass it on. Say find people, find count people by country, state, district, and city. So here I need to pass, whenever I wanted to traverse on this person list, I need to also pass, for example, which country data, right? So I say pass it, India is the country, Pradesh is the Andhra Pradesh is the state, CTR Chittoor is the district, NGR is the city. I want to see the list of people available in that aggregation. So how I'm going to do that? Now I need to create the method. So now my method is ready. Okay. Now I need to put the logic. How I'm going to put the logic? Kindly take a look at it. Now I have the person stream, the collection object. I'm going to do the streaming. After streaming, I'm saying collect. So this I wanted to do it in a multi-line so that it will be easy for us. So I say here collectors. Collectors is basically a utility library. Let's do the import of a static methods, which has a lot of static methods. I'm going to consider few of the static methods for this exercise. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I'm going to do grouping by. Grouping by what I wanted initially, person, country. Okay. Now on what I wanted, grouping by person on the state, and followed by district. Grouping. We have to do the grouping. Grouping person, district. Again I had to do the grouping. I had to do like till the last, the order. You can see that person, city. The order is country, state, district, then the city. Now we need to count. For counting, we have counting is a method, one of the static method. This is how you can do the aggregation. Now you get map of all the results. Results map. Now what do you need? According to our exercise, results map dot say get, what is the country name, which I'm passing it in my method. Country, state. Let's break this method list. District and city. So now I say country, I get a state, then I get a map, then I pass district, then pass the city. I'm done. I'm passing it as a return value. Long. But this is being called, say here I'm calling people count. People count, I say. That's out. Okay. Now for this, we got it. If you want to test for other, yes, of course, you can do. Once again, you can pass US, you can pass Florida, you can pass Hillsborough, for example. Hillsborough is the county and Tampa is the city, for example. You can print, this is 2, this is 1. You can go ahead and execute. Now you can verify aggregation is correct or not. You can see I have 2 US, Florida, HBR, Tampa. Suppose if I wanted to add it one more, this is working as expected or not, we can see that. Say this. Let me rerun the program and see is working as expected. It is building. Now you see that that's perfect. Okay, like you can perform SQL aggregations using Java streams. Thank you for learning new things, and I hope you enjoy the video. Please like it, share it, comment it, and subscribe it. I come up with a new problem statement with a solution. Until then, thank you.